How to blur face in Capcut. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can blur any face using Capcut. So let's get started. First, open up your Capcut application and then add your desired video. Now go to its end, copy it and tap on overlay. After that, adjust the video's location and add a blur effect. Then extend this effect to whole video's length and change its object to overlay. Now your video will look completely blurred. To limit this blur to face, only add a mask and adjust it. And adjust it according to the face. And there you go. This is how you can blur any face using Capcut. So all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.